Welcome back up.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
No. You said stay in the middle, Felicia. Do all the work. It's Labor Day. You have to labor. It's crazy. Anyway, we have Rick Crosslin here, the science guy. So good to meet you.
Thank you. Nice
I'm so excited to meet you.
Yeah.
You do have something over there that's kind of scaring me, but I'm gonna let you start with there were safety goggles, and y'all know how I feel when I see safety goggles. I'm sorry. Firefighter Tim has scarred me, so I have PTSD from him. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to see what you have going on.
I'll just take you up to the edge.
Okay. All right.
So I love science, duh. You know, that's been my life. And one of the things that's kind of cool is that how things move and things around us spin. And so you see on TV all these people that can do all kind of tricks, and they're kind of cool, like, oh, you know, oh, look at that, this guy's got talent, you know. but actually, it's science, finding the center of gravity of that. So if you can get something to spin, it's stable. For example, this here's you probably may have seen these in circuses or something. But you know, this will fall over. But if you get it spinning, it has stability. It's called gyroscopic stability. So I'm spinning this plate now, and the faster I spin it, I can move up and down, but it resists tipping over. Look, see that?
Oh, wow.
Here, you try it. See if you can keep it going.
There you go. Sure, I knew you were going to do that.
Because it's not fair if he doesn't start it on his own. He has to start it on his own.
I brought 3, Felicia.
Oh, boy. So I have to do it now.
You give it a shot. You know, look at there you go. And so as you get it going, it has an inherent stability. You just start slow.
Oh, okay. I went too fast.
And you can move it up and down, but the cool part is going sideways because it resists. It resists. There you go.
Okay.
I'll ruin all those circus accidents.
America's Got Talent.
Yeah.
So
we're going to stick to TV.
So is this similar to like orbit in a way?
Yes. Well, the Earth is spinning.
Right.
And because the Earth is spinning like a giant gyroscopic stability, it can move this way, but it won't do this way. Our Earth would be quite different if it tipped like this. There'd be no seasons, no life, but it spin. Now, it doesn't spin exactly in the same place. It's called precession. It moves a little bit. So I have here a gyroscope. This is cool. This is a toy. But to me, it's an opportunity for science.
Of course it is.
So I get it spinning, and these are actually made, millions of these are made in Indianapolis.
Oh, wow.
There's a company called Chandler Toys where these are made. So you pull this, there's an axis, let me get it going, and now it's spinning, and it will resist tipping over. Like I can try to push it in that way. In fact,
that's actually very cool.
Put your finger here, Felicia.
Okay.
And this will not hurt. And
what?
But it's still spinning,
it's still spinning because now when it slows down, it falls down.
Yeah.
Same thing with this.
Slow down, you go down.
If you slow down, you fall down. Like this is my bicycle tire, okay? And just happen to have a random tire.
Yeah,
you know.
Of course.
And so if you let go of it, that's a force of gravity. Right. Our friend here demonstrate gravity like Isaac Newton did. You know, what goes up must come down. Thank you. And so that invisible force, so gravity is everywhere. So when you ride a bicycle, if you just stop, you're going to fall down.
Right.
But if you get it spinning, if you get your bicycle spinning, it will now resist tipping over. The faster you go, now you can move it this way and this way. It's a fancy thing, it's called the right hand rule. If you take your hand like this, and the curve of this, so if I'm spinning it like this, the curve, this is the way you can move it, but you can't move it that way.
Okay.
But it's better just to show it. Let's show it, okay? So I brought my bench grinder.
Okay.
And
we're going to stand back here.
Yeah, I'm going to stand over here.
Well, I'm just going to put some goggles on because I do want my eyes in retirement.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to get this spun up. There you go. Thank you, Cody. And now it's spun up quite a bit. And so now it has stability that I can do this.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't fall over because you would think it would tip over.
I like that.
Yeah, and of course, when it slows down, it falls down. And this is the whole process of gyroscopic stability. In fact, when you fly in a plane somewhere, if you imagine putting 3 of these together, this one will move this way, but not over. If you have another one sideways, it'll move this way. If you put 3 of them together, that object will stay in space.
Wow.
And that's how planes navigate. But we can do one more fun thing.
Yeah.
spinning.
As we're getting ready to do that, I do want to know, we talked about you being in retirement. How is that going so far?
Well, I'm pretty busy.
Yeah, always.
It took me a second to start getting busy again.
Sure.
I had a great time with my family, and now I get to go to any school in the Midwest to do science.
How long did it take your wife to say, Rick, please go do something?
Well, about a minute. And about a minute. We've done some vacations, but I'm really looking forward to I'm going to Hagerstown Elementary. I can go anywhere now to do science. So I like that, but I do miss the kids.
Yeah,
so,
I know. But you still get to be with them just in a different way now,
Yes.
going all over. Okay.
This might be a surprise to you, but my next gig is going to be at my granddaughter's preschool.
Oh, that'll be
That is
so
so
fun.
cute.
Oh.
So here we got a spinning Isaac or Albert Einstein spinning. So Cody, you're my next volunteer. Thank you.
Careful, I'm a little bit heaver than
There you go.
Einstein there.
Now so we can spin you around, right?
Oh my God.
Now he is spinning. So let's do one more thing.
We don't
Hold
have
this.
any cleaning crew, so no.
Yeah.
All right.
Arms out.
Okay.
So this is cool about science. I get you going.
Okay.
And nature says you're gonna conserve energy. Now, on the count of 3, crunch down. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
What happened? Tell them what happened.
My balance, like I
Did you increase? Put your arms out. Okay. So now nature says, hey, we got energy. We have to conserve that energy. You're gonna speed up like an ice skater. Ready?
That is
1,
what I was saying. That's what ice skaters
2,
do, and they pull
3.
in.
Pull in
Oh yeah.
and pull out. And you slow down, pull in, and pull out. That is the conservation of energy.
College football happened Saturday, and I had this exact same feeling by about 4 o'clock.
That is awesome.
Yeah, so next time you see something spinning, think about being dizzy.
Whoa.
Think about stability and how things around the world, they work because of science. And I love figuring them out, and it's things you can try at home too.
That's cool. So on top of going to schools, you have an event coming up October 18th, right?
Yes, it's a Sunday. I think it's 18th. I think we have the thing on there. We're going to be at Hendrix Live.
Yeah.
And
Hey,
we're
that's my
going to
neck of the
do,
woods.
you're down in Plainfield.
Yeah.
My friend, there we go. My friend Keith Ramsey and I, we had this crazy science show. I believe in science. He uses that M word that I don't like to use.
Magic.
Oh, don't say it.
I know he hates it.
So we're going to have a lot of fun finding out who's right, science or magic, and do a lot of cool things, I think.
That's one fun
That's
for the whole
awesome.
family. Rick, we are so glad that you're enjoying retirement, and we're so glad that you have more time to come hang out with us now because we love having you, and we can't wait
That
to
was
have
so
you again
fun.
soon.
I'm going to get me a door pass. I'm coming back.
Yeah, we love it. I need to get my balance back.
I
I'm
was
so
going to
busy.
knock it over. All right, coming up next, I got a chance to talk to the winner of America's Got Talent, Terry Fader, and one very interesting turtle. That's next.